Haya, mwerareri wa Muthingi TV, karibuni sana. Ni weekend ingi ithwe nawe twiko tugitongana makiria ha tugikoragwo tukiaririria uhoro wigie maundu mothe na makiria maria maraikorwo magituhutia ithwe twitarurire kana hihi ithwe twi o kana mundu kiumbe makiria guoka ni uhoro wigie ndugu cia kiwendo guoka ni uhoro wigie mikaranirie guoka ni uhoro wigie family na tugakorwo tugirunga ciigie kana maundu maria maikoretwo magithie na mbere ani ngage kunyitwo geni ngetika kaire tukamathako that sports girl mundu gwetwo Wambui wa Njau andikoragwo ndi wika kuona ati ni ndi muruna wakwa uria twikoragwo tugiteretanga nake tugakorwo tukiheana ndeto kana ndeto iria cigitukonie na makiri iria citagitukonie na gwetwo mundu gwetwo
karibu sana ni na nie ngetwo Bill hanya guthie no ririkane no ukorwo kiaraniria na ithui nenda-ini citu ciothe ini ndicigroup ciothe cia ukinyaniria ciothe tucietaga tu o Muthingi TV. So muthi tabe ujire ni ultimate mwiri ko wana heo ni mundu urakwenda kana muina relationship kirigwo riu ni kiuyu
one ultimatum ni ariri muhitanetie. Let me give you a very good story. Ono gwo ori horo wake
ande hogora nguo ni wega
mundu ri tukahitania mahitia matiari makwa mahitia mari make. I think reke juge ni andu ya metagwo narcissists.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
So how before to have the story, how do you know that someone is a narcissist?
You can tell with how they are draining your energy. Even a mundu ucio ri wigua mafiu you are not yourself, but the moment mweherano you start feeling yourself again. The mo ugacoka ukona atiriri mundu uyu ri ena ko ujari, he's so good with people. Ni mundu mungicagura Ngai mwathani mungitwara bunge murugamia uguo
mubunge
ni uri mwega, but when it comes to you he's always at the always ni hehotinie mundu uyu ri ni always kiria ni mundu akoragwo ekiria kuriwe, he's so gumetatia dikometa eni ari uru nawe muingi muno
kana gakorwo agupushite into a certain corner alago controlera how una ndungihota kwiruta kana kwenya
na ni mundu ukwenda ku empower andu aja when it comes to you he just wants your life to rotate around his, like dareda we umukane arenda utore he you wouldn't tell. Of course the moment you're that person domenya ni narcissist. But the moment mweherano ni guka kumenya, oh God, I was dealing with a lot, and mundu cio koragwo very hard gutigana nake because every time they always make the mistake ikorwo yaku. The moment the moment akuhitiria tuge for example ni agucheat, it will always be about you. By the way, did I cheat because you did? Did I cheat because you said? Did I cheat because you see? It will always every time I make a sure mahitia ni mako.
I think what I'm getting from ugora ugare ntuge ni mwatigana na mundu tuge you are dating an assistant na ni mwatigana and maybe you had kids mundu cio onaga tari utoni wa mweherera na gutiri kindu ramwitia ri tari okuigwo uigitwo torathire urakionia ciana ciake babongi
na ni mundu utangiteithia ciana ati no ateithirie ciana mwenake uri I think I had one in my early 20s dakire na tocio mundu no wahitiria gia fiu niwe na mahitia na niwe wahititie fiu. This person ndaheaga time ya gwika ati ndaheire time yako navigate through the problem, through the mistake, inigetha joke into terms like why did you do this, inigetha na niru nigetha joke gerie ku get from his point of view na ni akorwo ki get from my point of view nigukuria ati uracoka ri o ndwenda gucoka hatikire na bara dio nako idirona tondu tukiretwa kire in a common group re of course gutiri andu maragi gutag mai kwariria ti hindi ciothe but of course there are times ugutagwo probably ni area of your specific itago specification mundu agagutaga gakuria how is this riu ri ona ugu ageciria atirire mundu uragutagre is your friend but aramitake tari we uratuma ndugeciria horo wa kiria ndugeciria horo wa mathina mau so ni arakuhe ginya ultimatum ugacoka ri when do you want me to when do you want me back in your life, and this person has not even apologized. Dakwirete sorry, I did a mistake, I said this, it was not right, I did this, that it was not right, I feel like it didn't sit right with you and I would want to talk about it. No. Ndaramia
tikatikana. So to him you are the problem.
Exactly.
Ndari handu ahititie
ate thio karia kithio wa gukere mundu ucio atiriri thio ikare nocio.
Ucio renda. Ucio ragutagi group-ini.
Ndona ndarakuria riu ri why you doing, you know, why you not talking to me? Uria wakiaragia nani. But he wants you akihitia guo we on his knees. Okay, nitucoka no. Yeah.
That's tough.
It's tough being me. It's tough being me.
Well, let me give you a story. Ya kaundu karahanikire recently na gatina genia ka WhatsApp.
Oh.
I was not happy about it, but you know there's nothing I can do. Do you know assuming and avoiding. So this guy we met agikioya namba. And rure tugikiambia ndikuga ni twambirie kwaria because mostly because I've been single for a while. Nie ani text
koragire mundu
ndigete mundu ndirakwira
for a while.
Okay, I'm still
ningiariguo
ruwa oya namba le ani text WhatsApp them. So unaona mi sita realize most of the time bijo ni takiaragia na mundu WhatsApp
umenyerete okuruta wira.
Exactly. Ni joy WhatsApp ni ya communication. No we rucio ndikahota rucio ni ngahota
kana ni ndekira we kana wira fulani we wona atia
kana kiria ndagutumira we wona kihana atia. So unaona nie ku realize huyu mtu alini text
ni way later
like 2 days. So riria kijana uyo nire I'm not reciprocating his energy ni jana. Ilo nire reciprocate energy yake ri ambire agikoria see there's an option of gwikira disappearing messages. Aka change akaeka hizo message they disappear 24 hours. And then me I was like oh okay. So na kaikara we arani text your wiki no. I think it was Wednesday, yes, if I'm not wrong. Wednesday. Can you text kiroko we agikora hi sweetheart, and I was like okay. Giaga gushokia ngimirora because arajeta sweetheart town.
What are you sweethearting in the first place?
First of all, I can't even remember your name, and then you kire haha kujeta ke sweetheart. Ni dia shokirie. Agitumenge sasa rugiona ni aragia hadafu hanini
kila man.
Jana ni aragia hadafu hanini. So nikajibu hiyo ya sasa nikamwambia niko fiti, and then we started talking from there. And then sasa kitu yenye ilini piss off ni kujugia telele. Naona tungekuwa tunaongea hivi.
Ugire kura hivi.
Ai. Ingekuwa
mtu wangu no komeire communication.
I found it so upsetting because naona mudo uyo uri athondekete ri huyu dem nataka aingie box.
Afu mokaga na kiria.
Okariganirwa atiriri ndurajuria kanginya ni ndirakwenda no we ni unjikire mathafu.
I think monaga riri you know they okay of course he mundu gutextaga you like their format of texting so you even you followaga nayo because mundu uyu ri ni ara match your vibe mundu ni araria
nginya mutugo
exactly no riu gwoka ni ngiri areciria muraria uguo to ni uramwenda.
No you see nona kiria situation yeno yo that in between your period ya ni wona mundu ni mwa exchange number and then wabiri kumwita sweetheart. Does it make sense to you? Because
I feel
as a form of disrespect because
I feel ori arume mali gentlemen tendere because lately they are not. Mundu yo I expect for real mundu yo ri ni murario muthe ni mwaria rucio ni mwaria okay. The moment ona probably ni text 10:52 ni ushokirie na nitoko probably way off kana you exactly mundu uyu akona atiriri agakore kana ni text ri gaka ni karanyenda nona tene ni aria makwaragiria
notion yo idea ya ati to mundu
because you talk every day because you call me I pick your calls etondo ni undu magira ginya ni undu magira tu video gakena ukahurira tukaria for 1 hour
ukani video call tukaria githamba gindo.
I'm liking whatever is going on but that doesn't mean that me ne jitekirete okoromi wakwa. Ask me wabui we na mundu because first of all ndoro amenya ka ndina mundu ika ni mundu tukihitanĩtie that's why
mgia ritwa rĩaku
rĩake ona ndoe sa name ni kuigua iguaga probably toko ni uria gikacua kaigua haya kaugetagwo ng'ania no rĩu the moment I feel like mundu agukuria the first date agakuria no to the hand of plan I can pick you at this time are you comfortable athi ko icire ninakuona lini, nakuja kwako, kwaja kukuja kwangu, unakuja na ni first date. How do you expect abetika na abetika na the first date yagire gukorwo ku
in outside?
No, they want you to go to their places.
No, we should meet in a public place
and
get to know each other.
I feel we should not tell each other that we want each other or we like each other on a first date. The first date ni guguthimira ogwo ngona kai gaka uria karati sitting position yaku, how you using your phone,
ndauga kindu maybe getina gukenia kana gia gukenia uria uraria.
Do you get bored, especially modo wa gutinda akiruta rita thimu ni ahurire thimu kana the moment mwenake ni ahurirwo thimu aloko ni wafici? Can't you just excuse yourself because you made this time for me, you knew you are not working at this time, then why are you telling me that wira ni okire ni koja mtu akakwambia something came up ni menyaga mundu ucio ni anoganinie?
There's also this bad behavior, ngumita bad behavior because it's a bad behavior. Tuikarite nawe ogwo no ndirakwira
ru no akiona
neguo
ati
haya
ati kabio tige hani. It's a very bad thing. And you know, sad thing, this generation, it's what they are doing. It's a very sad thing because ukora modo on TikTok, ndakiuga ni uru kuingira TikTok, but the moment was spare time waga when we ujuririe, can we meet at this time? And I said yes. I had the option of saying no.
I had something else to do, but out of respect,
I said, okay, it's okay, we can meet. You have only like an hour. Can't you stay without your phone for an hour?
Most people can't. I don't know.
Kitambo, I had a problem with, I was an academic phone addict. I was a phone addict. I will move from Facebook, Facebook, WhatsApp, the probability na modo. There's one person who sat me down and I was like, oh, this behavior is bad. Ajoriria terere tha ishire ni mado ni urare mu guikara na thimu yaku. For me, understand to they your friend, but what about that person who will want to settle with you, and when you kenda go settle nake, what will happen if ni mwatu akwaria about serious things? What will happen? Mutikwaria one because mudo da will take seriously because ogoti datere tabati hanini. In a comment, you know. If you want to show me the comment, the screenshot, but the moment you just have 1 hour, idha ona to idha kana ne daika 40 cia gukenywa kahua daika cio 40 thikiriria mundu ucio ona akunogia ri mahakiri ni urauga kai tigithira kiari kana nginya kamwira atiriri na ni ngwenda kugerera handu ngwenda kugerera handu fulani. But mutuga wako huthira thimu.
I feel like ugorauga generation yino nigwe hana ri. I feel like andu acio me addicted to the phone nginya ugithi kugeri kwariria mundu ri makoragwo makirana way, they are trying to avoid confrontations na kirio tondu mundu ucio ndarenda nginya gukorwo ati he handu mugukorwo mukiaria nake ri, and if that means ni atumire thimu ri, why not?
I feel if you know you're going through that problem, I think it's only right when you work on yourself. Iwe mwenyewe work on yourself, then you can come to me. Because agekoro you know you are an addict and you don't get karota ina thimu yaku, then why are you meeting me? You had an option of saying no, ndurahurwo wi mundu mugima ndurahurwo ugitweke ati waga guka ni ngugikuhura kana ni ngugutigira kirumi ni ndire wanyu. Exactly, ndire wanyu. If you know that your conversation is affected ni kindu fulani ri, because of course you know hani ho ni ndita wabu hani ho guaga
handu hakinya ngaigwa ndikuhota.
Exactly. Riu handu hatukinye hau ha ukire ni ukire the first date ni onogirie, work on that. Then uria turathi na mbere kwaria, probably ni twaria the first month, the second one ri ujire atiriri, now can we meet?
Actually, I feel like people should work on themselves. Era modo, I really wanted to meet you, but totwa meet he bad behavior ngoragwo nako na ndirenda gukwa no iri. Let us postpone that. I tried to work on it for like 2 weeks.
Ona handu hakujira there's a bad behavior we nayo ri, ona handu hakujira we na bad behavior we nayo ri, o mundu ena you are an adult, you are looking for, you are paying, you are paying your own bills. I'm an adult. Ojiri atiriri, there's something that came up. Ona henia na mishemanio ya wira. But you know you're working on it. Because the moment you tell me that you have that bad behavior, and it's probably something I hate, what makes you think that I'll meet with you?
But all in all, you know, people, you can work on yourself. There's nothing wrong with being honest.
No, I don't feel like the first date
you know what, in the first date ni mwararĩtio toguo wauga, you've been talking, I'm liking how this conversation is flowing, now we are comfortable, we can meet, not tondu we bado ni uraigua ni utigetie ri, there's something you need to work on because you don't want to annoy the other party. No wire mundu actually ni haha ri huana no riri give me time, I will work on it na tutamit na
nditugwika ati. And then plus I feel like it's only fair if you come on a clean slate, mundu wi ready ko you know, in relationships mundu ndaigiraga na this is how I am, that's not how you are, because no na mundu mwari nake mugitigana, the things he liked is not the same thing the other person likes. Tondu riu ni gukora probably mundu uyu ri ni endete kindu A na were ni wa fall into you tried to gometa ni wageririe kumugeria as in wageririe gukamara ko compromise undu-ini ucio. But now the things he liked uyu ngi ni athuire. I think it's a learning every day, o muthenya o uria wiragwo muturire ni guthoma, the same thing with ona aciari tugu mahikanitie.
Yes,
ni okiraga rucine na kiundu okarigwo
ndorete atiriri guka witu and he's 80 years old. Ngimuria atiriri, what's the best thing about getting iyo uguo gukura? Ni ndangikiuga ati donete the best thing ona na miaka iyo 80 anjirire atiriri ni a discover undu mweru nake ataroi umwigie o muthenya.
And then you know maundu maria uramenyete wikiria ri na ni god ndangikwira the things you knew mukidate ugukora ni total different mwahikania. Because one, the moment muradate ri ina probably ni mura mitire mumitaga maybe twice a week, na rimwe ugakora we busy ni utraveliria ni atraveliria, you're not meeting at all. So of course there's that ni kuri kwihithanira muno because ni ndirenda gugu please. If for once, because I don't want to lose you, because I know this is what you want, nigugeria muno, I'll try a lot nigetha digaku lose. The moment twahikania, the moment damenya, we have already put that signature on that paper. I'll show you now who this is one boy.
My true color.
Exactly, this is who I'm coming as. And I think it's so sad kugeria go come out riria mwahikania, because it's so selfish of you.
And you had all the time.
Kwira mundu uyu atiriri ni arakurire atiriri nie ndiendaga mundu urahura nguo kana nie ndiendaga mundu uraiga nguo. It's so selfish. The moment ati waigira kwa mundu ni uramuonia atiriri we nie ndicirindaga ciothe ndicirindaga ciothe kana nyambagia
wiki etare thiri
nyambagia na iratu ngithiaga uguo ingicoka na thutha. By the way, there's a person nyonete ambagi ndo guthambia thani. How do you wash your kiria indo cia kuthambagia atia?
Nyambagia na gikombe because it's not greasy, haina oil.
There's a friend of mine who starts na thani ngimuria ikombe itikonunga maguta ai ugu nigu ndamenyire riu tanjira mundu tocio ri mwahikania ndroye uguo ndokuhiukirwo
ona ni ukwamba kurigwo
ni ukwamba urugame
design ino ni iriku
kamuria niki ureka ni indo ndirathambe urambi na thani kwi mundu ukwambia ukumutha thaburia.
Well, we are different.
Yeah. Kwi mundu kwambia ikinya akihura nguo mundu urambia handu ambia na cia white arauga ati cia white ni thutha-ini
kana kamba kwambia na kiria iratu.
Ucio ni muritu mundu akwambia kuhuria nguo na iratu handu ari.
I think o mundu hari uriekaga maundu make ikuringana na uria onaga ni the easiest way. He mundu onaga atiriri ingiamba hure iratu ciambe cinjeherere ndigwo na nguo.
It's easier ni exactly.
He mundu onaga ingiamba hure nguo cia white.
Na riu ukora by the kwina mundu ri ona agithambia nyumba ri, you know there's a way ugibanga nyumba yaku ri probably he uri wenda kwambia na bedroom agoka sitting agathie riko agathie kioro ni ukora he mundu favoritaga kioro akambia na kioro agoka sitting agoka bedroom agoka riko.
we wambagia nako
ni nyambagia
tuhekiria
nyambagia na sitting gacoka ngathie bedroom gacoka
ni nyambagia na bedroom tondu nyona like kuni kwa gutari na
kiria it's a sacred place
exactly
ni nyambagia na bed na kiria tondu wa riri nyambagia na sitting muno ni undu wa riri ni ukoraga maingi na mamuto neguo atuiria njirite aturanjiraga atiriri tambe ubange haria mugeni angiuka arona agikona bedroom niki aragira ni ikare gwake ni mamuto aturaga atiriri rucini wokira ri nona hau urarugira cai tambe uhate kanotha uhure ona tigana na indo oko mutithambagia indo tuko tondu ni ndie niki kiuragia ni hakwa ni ndikuhenania ni ndicithambagia tuko
ni depend na mood ndikuga ndithambagia but it could depend na uria muthenya ucio uma
hari ni tondu citiroka gukoma haria ndiri ni cikare kasinki ya mbirwe ya thondekagwo nyumba yake
indo ti yako igwo indo ciena
ho igwo tondu indo tuko thaigire ati niguo raigwe maindo mundu akigambia barabara
ni could depend na mood hende ngoigwa
I feel sometimes we give ourselves a lot of pressure, a lot of dikoda kometa no ri if
pressure yake uthabindo hwaini no togwo twauga kuri andu mekaga maundu mao ina specific way no togwo no toria he mundu koragwo na OCD no toria he mundu ri thina uyu wa riri indo ciake cibangagwo na
atiambagia na thani cikaigwo icikwanga ikaigwo he kindu thuire horo wigi mubangire he ndu thuire horo wa mubangire wa indo iciko riria uraigaga kirini kau kaburi-ini kau ri wigaga kiria no irorete iguru kana thi
ciakwa iroraga iguru
haha kuri ha iguru awini no nguhure ruhinga igu ngumanie why
I don't know
hapana ni mi ungejigira giciko uguo ni tukuhitania because
no wana wake dipo hatire mai maria maitekaga
and that's how is nini
maragita mai da korea na mwena wa kuria uri na iguru ri I'm giving it kiria gia ku dry so you see that spoon ndire na mai ate maya magukamura indo and everything
for example sister yaku nioka no uraruga ema wewe sitting akiruta giciko kiu akiruta atia na wina kiria wina iciko kadhaa arutaga giciko kiu atia
uge separate gia kuruga na icinge cia kuria
agikurutira giciko tondu inde citigika kirini gacio akiruta giciko kiu anyitaga ha
kura depend na the size of the area ya umeput
giciko kiu gitindaga gitangatangwo riu na kaba mai mau methi to ni matheru
let me give you a back story ni personally hakwa ri kana ithambirie indo kana mundu ungi uthambirie ni njui ngikuhe kindu no nginya nyambe ngamure
no gwithambagia ciake basi
I don't know that is how I am nikio tugire atirere o mundu hena
mikire kia mundu
ni kana uthambirie kana mundu uri hirwo kiathambia ni uri agithambagia wega no nginya nyambe ngamure before I use anything
ni dieka it's a disease I wouldn't call it a disease but mundu agioka gwakwa not in a bad way mundu agioka tuge for example ni go hostete andu moke of course ni ndukine ni ndugire of course tondu nona ni go hostete moge ni maguthambia indo for some reason dio niki no nginya ndicicokera na ti ati ni ti ati athambia uru kana ndiraigua uru but for some reason ni njiguaga I really need to dinaiganira uria kiri icio cia thambia you like that too
it's the same way ndakwira atiriri kana uthambirie ndingenyura itakamurite you see it's the same one ayo shokagira ciaku cause essence yocio gugithambagia nyuma yake
no but iciko kuiga icirorete na iguru ri that's a lot of
that is how I
am I think agikone confusion ya homa na iciko ri me have like tukiria twiri ngamenya atiriri gaka ka green ri ni gakiria gaka ni ga homa gaka kangiri ni ga iciko
nyeti confusion ndikuga ni confusion that is I can't explain it uguo niguo ndi no uguo niguo joy atiriri ndathambia indo ri njagire kuiga iciko ciekete atia
ati kana ikombe ri turi-ini tu twakiria ri ati gaka gathi ni gakiria gaka gathi ni gathani gaka kaiguru nyinyambagia na o uria nyambiri guthambia indo ni ikombe ria yacio ni thani ria yacio haha iguru ti others
I don't know. Omundu hari uria kaga maundu.
Na riu he mundu gukuhikia kuige gwake ona ugika uguo ri ahiukirwo.
Niki kiuru nani kaitafundithirie uria indo ithambagio.
Kaire tukange akiuma kwao gicagire agithi kuhika ri ndoi kuruga. No ni ona akwo ni kurugagwo githeri. The man, I think the man didn't have the grace ya kumuonia this is how it's supposed to be done. Yeah. Do you know what the man did? Them amurire ndigukwandikira mwiretu wa wira. Mwiretu riu ri idona ni kurugagwo waru na githeri. Mwiretu ahagirire ciothe hamwe. Waru bebe cia guthandurwo mboco ciothe agicikia hamwe. Mwanake oria ciekire ati acikuire na karatathi agu agicikira ndithi. Itoria mamu akamwira ndiombe thio fundithie mwiretu kuruga. Ndiombe muonie kuruga.
So what happened?
We no ucoke kuu.
Uhiki wathiririe uguo ni ndu wa githeri.
Ni ndu wa kuruga, ni ndu wa githeri nikio kianinire uhiki. But ugikage mundu utari na grace, especially because we all make mistakes. Na we mundu ndungimenya indo ciothe. Taru ni thaa ici makwari uhoro wa ma. Thaa ici ingethi kwa in-laws akwa. Heirio manginjira nduge ndimatigire mwana wao. Because riu ri for example nie ndi wa Kiambu. Witho tuthiabundithirio kuruga irio imwe ngumenyera ku. Just extend the grace ya kunjira atiriri. This is how we go about it.
I'm thinking
umenyere gwitũ tuonire gukarangwa ni njui gutherukia mai, ni njui gukurugira cai. Kidogo ni ngugeria gukurugira ngima. Kidogo. No riu ri mani wambi kunjira irio imwe mani. Mami tona toko na ndari aciona.
Ni ngima ya kirandu atatu we ona we mwega.
Atatu na ni wathie. Atatu ni wathie pio.
Kirandu atatu ndingihota.
He handu nderirwo nduge ngima Yari mutukirwe mwe. Ngai. Neje matura manyinaga.
Tondu chaotic.
Ngai, man ugikagarura
mwiko kinye. And then it's so sad hari andu mona atari gwetua mundu aretua. And ungetua ati andu rahota kurugana ni ukuria.
Ni honestly thaa ici ingihika gicagi. Mandwarwo kundu kurakamwo.
Nyona idio gukama.
My wife please. Ngai manego guti. Mamuita turaga njiraga atiriri. Ti ati ndiciarirwo kundu kwina ng'ombe, but I think most of my life ria ngaguriire ngacukuru. You see, I know I didn't have time ya kumenya gukama. So the moment thaa ici mundu angindwara mani njoku. Njirago ni kungutha iteke.
Nyona igukama ndingihota.
Tau ni ngukoma na ti na uru. Nguku. Ni nguku ndihota kuingiria kiugo. Gitagwo gito? Kiaga. Because one ni ndetigirite nguku guo ni sawa. No riu ati nyite mathagu guo njikie. My friend ni kurara nja.
Ni ngumihura like unaona.
But ndekerirwo guoya ni njogoma mwitu ari nayo. Ndehuraga mundu wothe. No ni Ngai ino yakaga ate mathagu. Ya maiga go. Afu guthukia muno it was disabled. Mau no ni matharau. No ni matharau moru. Ni tajira ngukone. Tajira mani ngukonera thua.
Did you have to call it disabled?
Because it was disabled. Yale ngoko able differently.
Yeah,
ngoko it was kiria ni athua kuguru. No nayo Ngai yanyona yaiga kaguru kaguo yakaigaga kaundu yacoke kaiga mathagu Ngai
ikuhure.
Why?
Ni agukanyaga.
Mani gukunganya kana nginya kuhuragia fiu no ameko wigoka. We unjire ni nganyita ingi. What if my nini is not chicken and I'm forcing myself to them?
Kureithia.
We soke mundu akianjigire magana manana ndwareku. I would want to do farming, but I would want to do it with someone. Mundu atua kunjakithia nguku ni haha.
Na mundu wena no how uria maundu magirire.
Exactly.
Ona ndana rio kara ni mburi.
Ni wathie we
Muse was a kid. No uria weragwo mafogari mboga ya tinio ri kerwo twarire mburi.
Ugithi kuhe.
Ni ndikire kana ka ona ndioi anga ndari wanu anga tu. Ona ndiramiheo.
Ni vile giraffe center.
mburi no endeire kara
o mundu by the he ni mburi ni tiga ni gugwika ati gukuohania ukimioha ndigigika ati ringi mani gukuohania yokire igaguthiururuka na do you know by the way ndurume no yurage ng'ombe yeah nona haha kiago kiayo wewe kihana ngari haya Merari wa Muthingi TV thengio muno ni undu wa wiroreri waku na makiria ni undu wa guthii na mbere na kunyitanira na ithwe na makiria gutigaga kana gukorwo gitutigira ndumiriri ciaku tukwiraga ithwe tutingiriho utariho makiria twagucokeria ngatho ni undu wa gutweterera na makiria gutuikaria mahinda-ini mau nginya weekend yokete ni ngwira Ngai wa muoyo akwende akuige na akurathime aginyagia kiumia giokete Ngai njega
na ni ngetwo Bill Hanya guthii tucemanie Juma ingi.